Hi guys, so last week I tried this 3 mixture on my face and it actually worked. My face is actually super fresh and I promised I was going to try it twice a week or once a week for 3 weeks. So this is the second week. I actually tried it just once a week, so this is the second week and I'll be trying it again. So back to this challenge. So all you need is your baking soda, your toothpaste, and then a moisturizer. So I'll be using coconut oil as my own moisturizer. So next, you're going to mix everything together. Like, make sure to mix well, and then you're just going to scrub your face with it. You can check out my channel for the main video. I'll try putting the link in the comment section so that it will be easier for you to find. So that you can understand how we started this and all of that. So I'm going to be trying this. The first week I tried it once. This week I'll be trying it once or twice. Then we have just one more week to go. So I won't advise you to use this on your face all the time. That's why I'm doing just once or twice a week, and I'm just using it for 3 weeks. So yeah, it is actually super effective because my face is actually fresh, very fresh. Since the first day I used this till now, my face is still fresh. And not just that, I noticed my dark spots also are actually somehow reducing. So I don't know if it is because of this or not, but they are reducing. So I'll be trying it again today. So now I'm just going to apply this on my face. I'm going to use this brush to scrub my face very well so that I'll be able to exfoliate all the dead skin on my face. I'll be gentle with it though because it is my face. And if you're going to use a brush, make sure to use a soft brush so you don't end up hurting yourself. So now, after mixing everything together, all you need to do is to apply it on your face like marks. So you're going to apply it on your face like a mask, and then you're going to use the brush to scrub your face gently. So you're using it to exfoliate all the dead skin on your face. So that is what the brush and baking soda is for. So if you try this once or twice every week for at least 3 weeks, your face will be very smooth, very smooth, and then you'll be able to get rid of your dark spots if you have any. So yeah, I'm also trying this is actually a challenge for me, and I'm trying it to see if it's actually going to work. So feel free to try this with me. And like I said, don't forget, this is not everyday something. This should be just once a week or twice a week. So you're going to scrub. After scrubbing gently, you're going to allow it sit on your face for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, you can just wash it off and then go to bed. If you want to do it in the morning, fine, but I prefer doing mine at night actually. So you can just do this, leave it for 5 minutes, and then you just wash it off and you go to bed. That's all. So it is that simple. So feel free to check out the first video on this, and then please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. Also, let us know in the comment section, have you tried this before, or what do you think about this video? Actually, I would love to know in the comment section. And also, do not forget to share. Thank you. Make sure to scrub where you're always having pimples, acne. Yeah, make sure to scrub and scrub well. So I left it on my face for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I rinsed it off with just water, like just water, and my face is super smooth and I'm feeling refreshed. Try it and let me know what you think. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.